eggplant. I'm going to make this dish in the electric pan. So this is the ginger, chili, green chili, onion and garlic all together in the big pan, so you can see. And this one is on medium, and it's very easy to roast in these ones in the electric pan, and no much oil used, non-stick. Little bit of olive oil I used, and you can see this one. This one is garlic, separate on one side, and this one is eggplant. So quick. So this one regulates the temperature. So easy to cook in the electric pan. Like five minutes we will roast slow, separate, and then after we mix, and after we put some spices. I'll show you later. Close the lid for 2 minutes. I covered the lid, and in 1 minute's time this one look like that. It's on medium now, and it's all mixed. Very quick to cook in the electric pan because it's very wide. And now 2 tomatoes, and we will mix, and again cook a little bit, and the spices and the salt coming in the last. So have a look. And we will again cook maybe 1 minute, and we will check, and I will show you. I just put all the spices, turmeric powder, 1.5 spoon, 1 spoon salt to taste, and black pepper, mixed herbs, coriander powder, all together mixed in this one. And heat is on low, and if you think you want to, you can check like that. If this one is all done. If you think it's not very good, then you can cover it for maybe 10, 20, 30 seconds, and that's it. In the end, half lemon you squeezed. This one is going to mix on this one, and this for 10-15 minutes our roasted eggplant is ready in the electric pan. And you can check the taste. If you think you need anything, salt or chili, it's up to your choice, you can add that one. So this one is done, and this one looks so nice and yummy. So this dish is ready, and you can eat. You can eat You can eat with rice, naan, roti. This is a very yummy side dish. Thanks for watching.